Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Choose a microphone that suits aggressive metal vocals and high SBLs. Use a dynamic mic like the SM7B or a bold large diaphragm condenser for clean capture. Positioning matters a lot for tone and sibilance control. Place the mic 6 to 12 inches from the mouth and use a pop filter. Set your preamp gain conservatively and watch levels. Set gain so peaks hit around -6 dB to -3 dB without clipping. Record a short test take and listen for proximity booms and harshness. Protect your voice with a 10 to 15 minute warm-up before heavy takes. Warm up with scales and gentle false chord drills to build stamina. Use proper breathing and engage the diaphragm for consistent power. Use chest voice and false chord techniques for grit while protecting vocal cords. Record multiple passes to create density and safety backups for editing. Track multiple passes, 2 to 4 doubles plus 1 main lead take. Rest the voice between passes for 3 to 5 minutes when needed. Build a simple tracking chain that preserves dynamics yet controls peaks for safety. Use light compression while tracking with 2 to 4 dB of gain reduction and a fast attack if needed. Add a clean preamp or subtle saturation box for harmonic grit. After recording, comp takes and remove breaths for clarity before alignment. Remove breaths and time-align doubles, then use light tuning in moderation, such as 1 to 3 cents for pitch drift. Finish with a high pass at 60 Hz and parallel compression for added punch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.